We now demonstrate how to run a LIProxy tool with lining location as detected by linet DLR linet system. We have first to control which is the granules we have. We have to go to a source code directory, then scripts, and inside we found linet directory. And we may see that we have only one granule that is from the 22nd of August 2008, and the granules is 1 hour slot from 5 UTC 00 up to 5 UTC 59 seconds. Okay, as usual, we have to add path folder and subfolders from source code, and dragging new underscore GUI.m within the shell for commands, for MATLAB commands. We select 2008 August, that's 20 seconds, from 5 UTC up to the same day, five UTC plus 1 minute. Select DLR data from linet network, and we push process. After a few seconds, we have produced 206 pulses for a total of 153 events. Could go to the plotting section, selecting events, pulses, and then plot everything. We may zoom over the area we have simulated. We want to do the same, but adding some extra random noise, inserting a reference value of 100 random noise. And we again push the process button. The process is slower due to the simulation of random switching on of events simulated by false events. It may take a few seconds. It's proportional to the parameter you insert for the random noise. Okay, as you may see, we have produced the same 206 pulses, but now the events have passed from 153 up to more than 4,000. Again, we select events and pulses and plot everything. The plotting may take a while. That's the result. The same configuration, the similar configuration for the pulses production and events simulated at matrix level, together with a lot of randomly chosen pixels that are triggered on. From the schedule, from the graphic below, you may see which is the temporal evolution of events and pulses. You can understand that time trend of the events is quite stable, and the pulses correspond to the linet locations. This type of granules could be really useful to prepare the filtering systems that will have to remove all the randomly produced events and to leave only the events that are related to real lining.